Okay, why does God care more about who we become than what we do?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Daniel lived in a culture filled with pressure, distractions, and powerful influences. Let's slow down and look carefully. Daniel kept making wise choices long before the famous dramatic moments happened. This might surprise you. The brain is shaped daily by repeated small decisions, even when nobody else notices. Most people miss this part. Daniel's strength did not suddenly appear during crisis. It slowly developed through daily habits and self-control. Here is the deeper layer. God cares deeply about character because repeated choices slowly shape identity, courage, and emotional stability.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Daniel keeps choosing wisdom and faithfulness even during pressure and uncertainty. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Daily habits were quietly strengthening Daniel's emotional resilience. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Daniel stayed disciplined long before facing lions, kings, and dangerous situations. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Character slowly develops through repeated choices made during ordinary days. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still face pressure to follow unhealthy habits or compromise values. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Small, faithful decisions slowly train the brain toward courage, wisdom, and self-control.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated habits slowly strengthen emotional and behavioral pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns patterns through daily repetition. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Fear and impulsiveness slowly grow when reactive behavior repeats. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Self-control slowly becomes easier through consistent practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more resilient or more emotionally reactive over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny faithful habits quietly shape long-term courage and wisdom.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Many people feel pressure to fit in even when something feels wrong. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Fear of rejection can quickly affect decision-making. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional pressure slowly weakens self-control and confidence. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated compromise slowly changes thinking and behavior over time. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Constant distractions and social pressure often shape identity without people realizing it.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Discipline usually grows quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily wise habits slowly build emotional resilience. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns calmer and healthier responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Courage and self-control slowly become stronger over time. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny roots slowly hold a massive tree steady during storms.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during pressure or temptation. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Slowing down helps the brain think more clearly. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one wise choice matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Character usually develops through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small faithful habits slowly strengthen emotional resilience and wisdom.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Practice one small wise decision today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one calm pause matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. Notice when fear or pressure tries to control your choices. 4. Adjust without quitting. Emotional strength usually develops through repetition. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small faithful habits slowly create strong character and courage. Remember, strong character usually grows quietly through small repeated choices made every single day. God cares deeply about who we become because our habits slowly shape our thinking, emotions, and future. Every small faithful decision is helping your brain, character, and emotional resilience grow stronger over time. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.